In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete your Roblox chat messages. Removing unwanted messages can help keep your chat history clean and organized. Whether you're looking to clear a few messages or tidy up your entire chat log, this guide will provide you with the steps you need to follow. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, open the Roblox app. After you open the Roblox app, log into your account. As you can see, mine is already open and already logged in. While we're in the Roblox app, choose a friend who has a chat history with you and click it. The menu appears. After the menu appears, click the View Profile tab to open the profile of your friend. While we're in the Profile tab of your friend who has a chat history with you, sadly, you have to click the Unfriend button to unfriend him. But you can add your friend again by clicking the Add Friend button. Better you have communication with your friend so that he or she is aware, or so that they can add you again just in case you unfriend them and add them again to your friends list. Now you know how to delete chat messages in Roblox effectively. Regularly managing your chat can enhance your gaming experience and maintain your privacy. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider exploring Roblox support or community forums for additional tips.